So, my little math monkeys, it's time. I've got a new microphone, and this is going to be my second try with the microphone because it didn't seem to stop the skipping. So I'm putting it in a different location and see if that helps. So let's look at notes for NS13. And as you can see, it's a little hard to read, so I'm going to write it up here. Notes, NS15. You might want to do the same thing so that you know what it is. And stick your name up there. And, of course, your roster for my students and the date for Miss Armstrong's students. And we're going to begin looking at multiplying integers. Yay! Integers. And we know that integers are positive and negative numbers. Positive and negative numbers. And let's look at this. This is basically our rules. A negative times a positive is negative. Always. Your answer is always negative. A positive times a negative, same thing. It's going to be negative. Positive times positive equals positive. And negative times negative, wait for it, positive. That's right. Okay, the rule is basically very, very simple. The product of two integers, that means the answer to a multiplication problem. That's really what it means. The product of two integers with opposite signs, okay, different signs, is going to be negative every time. You got two different signs, answer's negative, no matter what. And then the product of two integers with the same sign is always positive. If the signs match, they cancel out and make it positive. So let's look at some examples. Here's some opposite sign examples. 3 times negative 4, that's going to be negative 12. Negative 3 times positive 4, negative 12 every time. Doesn't matter which one's negative. But if they have the same size, 3 times 4, it's going to be positive 12. And negative 3 times negative 4, positive 12 again. Okay? Two negatives make a positive. Let's slide this up. And let's look at our steps. These are the steps for multiplying integers. The first thing you're going to do is determine the sign of the product. So you look at your problem and you go, okay, is my answer going to be positive or negative? Let's see, negative 6 times 5, different signs. So my answer is going to be negative. So I'm going to stick a negative sign right there. Boop, right there. Now, step 2, find the absolute values of the factors and then multiply. So the absolute value of negative 6 times the absolute value of 5. Well, since the absolute value of negative 6 is positive 6, and 5 is 5, that's going to equal 30. And then it says assign a correct sign to the product. Well, we already know that it's negative, so we just put 30 here. Ta-da! Pring! We got it. And now we get to move on to everybody's favorite, number line. You know you love it, it's a number line. Okay, now remember, when we're multiplying, all it is adding over and over and over again, okay? Adding over and over and over again. So, 3 times negative 2, that means we've got 3 groups of negative 2. Okay? So all you have to do is start at 0 and go to negative 2. 1, 2. There's 1. 1 times negative 2. But we want 3 times, so we do it another time. 1, 2. All right? That's only 2 groups. 1, 2. 3 groups. And that would be negative 6. Okay? When using the number line on 2 negative numbers, remember the sign rule. Okay? Positive times negative, negative. Our answer is negative 6. Are we good? I know I'm going kind of fast because I'm hoping that by talking and not having silence, I will not have skipping, but who knows? So let's flip it and look at the guided practice, all right? So flipping it and going to the guided practice, we see a submarine drops at a rate of 19 feet per minute. What is the submarine's depth in feet after 4 minutes? Well, drops means it's going down. That means it's a negative number. So we've got negative 19 per minute. So if we've got 4 minutes, then we're going to multiply it by 4. Negative 19 times 4. Negative times a positive, what's my answer going to be? Negative, exactly. So it can't be C and it can't be A. So it's got to be one of those. 9 times 4 is 36. 4, and we carry that 3. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 more is 7. 76, so it's negative 76. Easy, right? The next two are super duper easy. Watch. Which expression below equals 17? I know, y'all are going, are you kidding me? I could do this in my sleep. Well, let's see. 32 plus negative 2, that's going to equal 30. Negative 2 times 8 is negative 16, because you got a negative times a positive, so negative 16. 2 times 9, 2 positives, so that's going to equal a positive number, 18. And then 20 minus 3. Well, duh, Mrs. Soul, that's 17, so that's our answer. All right? Which model represents the expression 4 times negative 2? 4 times negative 2. Let's see. That means we need negative 2, so we can have positives in there. They all have to be negative. We need 2 negatives in a box and 4 boxes. So these are positive. These are negatives. These are positives. And these are negatives. This is only 2 boxes. 2, 3, 4 boxes. So it can't be B. It has to be D. Does that make sense? I got negative 2. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 times of negative 2. We're almost done, I promise. Number 4 says, which number line best represents the following equation? 3 times 3 equals n. Okay, well, we need to go 3 groups of 3. That's what that means, 3 groups of 3. So this is 1, 2, that's not it. That's just like 3 groups of 1. And this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This looks like the right one. This is going backwards. Totally not even going to happen. And this is going forward, but it's only 2, 2, and 2. So we've got 3 groups, but only of 2. So, yep, B is our answer, which means it's now time to think about math practice. That's right. And then you can return to me with joy and honor.